Bodystream is a legal way for patients to access medical marijuana. We work with licensed physicians in the province of Ontario. We work with Health Canada approved licensed producers from throughout Canada, and we get patients set up with them once they receive a prescription from our doctors. Then they come for reassessments every few months, and they get the doctor guidance that they need and their legal access to marijuana. Patients come to find treatment options for a number of conditions that they're looking to treat. Some patients come after trying narcotics and they want to find a more natural remedy, and that's where Bodystream comes in. So we don't sell any product here. We have no product on site at any time. When you come here at Bodystream, you would be seeing a licensed physician and you would be receiving a legal medical marijuana license. Once a patient receives their prescription, we would get them set up with a Health Canada approved licensed producer. They would then purchase their prescription from that one licensed producer. Then they place all their orders either online or over the phone. They receive it right to their door. Shipping is very quick. They make it very user-friendly. And then they come back for their reassessments. If they do want to change licensed producers, that's always an option. We do work with a number of licensed producers all throughout the country, so there's lots of options for patients. There's a number of conditions that medical marijuana treats. We don't make any claims that you will have success, but patients do often see success with treating chronic pain from arthritis, degenerative disc disease, fibromyalgia. We also have seen positive results with mental illnesses such as anxiety, depression, and also helps gastrointestinal issues such as irritable bowel syndrome, colitis, Crohn's. There are patients that come in looking for relief from cancer. You know, there are tons of negative side effects to chemotherapy and those sort of treatments, one of which being nausea, and definitely medical marijuana can help a lot with that as well. So there's a large variety of conditions that can be treated with medical marijuana, and it's nice because it is much more natural than the narcotics and the medications that people are putting into their bodies. Our doctors do go through the options that our patients have in how to take the medical marijuana. If patients don't want to smoke their prescription, there's definitely healthier alternatives. One popular treatment option is using the cannabis oils. The oils can just be dropped under the tongue or added to a variety of drinks or foods. Then you just ingest it. You're not inhaling anything, and it does take a little longer to get into your system, but the effects do last longer as well. For more immediate effects, patients should opt for vaporizing. Vaporizing is a much healthier alternative when compared to smoking, but still offers similar benefits. One of which being that the effects do come on a lot faster than with the use of oils. There are a number of different models of vaporizers. We do sell them here as well for patients that are interested because it is much better for your lungs to vaporize versus smoking. Treating with medical marijuana, there are always, side effects associated, just like any other drug. Most common side effects might be dizziness, nausea, sleepiness, things like that. Definitely you're not going to see some of the more harsh side effects that you would with narcotics. You're not going to see the significant organ damage that some narcotics cause. Definitely taking the oils can reduce the risk of any sort of lung issues in the future, but generally, because it is an all-natural treatment, it's a plant that you're putting into your body, the side effects are much, much less than those of the narcotics that you often get from doctors. So Belleville's location was one of the first locations to open up. We had our head office in Barrie, we had a location in Hamilton, and then January 2016, Belleville opened up. We thought that there was definitely a need for a medical marijuana clinic. There was no other clinics of this kind when we moved in, and we started small and grew very rapidly. Our patient numbers have increased dramatically. Word of mouth has played a huge role for Bodystream Belleville. We really, owe it to the community because patients have successful experiences here and they share their successful experiences, and then we get more patients coming in. It's really nice to see the difference that medical marijuana makes with patients, seeing them at their first appointment versus seeing them a few months down the road. You can definitely see huge improvements if they're suffering from chronic pain or if they're suffering from anxiety, depression, things like that. But it's always nice to, see familiar faces, and any patient that returns to us, we're happy to have them back.